From difficulty walking with weakness on your core muscles? Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. If you find yourself having difficulty walking with pain on your back, or you started leaning forward due to weak core, so I will show you some simple Pilates and physical therapy program utilizing 2 elastic bands to target your walking core muscles and hip muscles to help stabilize your spine so you're not limping when you're in pain or just very fatigued. So get your mat ready and 2 elastic bands to join me today. Okay, my friends, we're gonna utilize 2 elastic bands. So I'll use the green band around my thighs and then the red band for my arms. So it's gonna be a simultaneously strength training program, great for anyone who wants to strengthen their arms and their legs. And I will focus a lot on the muscles that will help our walking patterns. So it's a lot of physical therapy as well. So we're going to start sitting up first. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly open your knees and your arms apart. Exhale. You want to engage your core muscles as you inhale in, exhale out. Squeeze your core in. I'm trying my best to engage my low back muscles and looking up to keep the neutral spine. And slowly coming back in. So as I open my arms, I'm simultaneously opening my knees apart to a butterfly stretch, because your hip abductors help support your low back when you walk. And then when you open your arms, it helps open up your upper back to help improve your center of gravity to stand up straight. So inhale, open, belly button in, exhale, down low to the center. Last one, and I want you to hold it for 5 seconds. Hold to help promote your posture more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly go back 1. And now we're gonna slowly lie down on your back, 1 vertebrae at a time, and blow. So straighten your back first and engage your core muscles. So from lying down position, you're gonna slowly bend your knees. And we're going to continue with the butterfly exercises. So you're going to slowly open your knees and your arms apart, squeezing your core in, and exhale back. So you're going to feel the tension on your hips and your shoulder. As you pull out as much as you can, you want to try to touch the floor and the mat, and then try to open your knees as much as you can. As you exhale back to the center and blow. Inhale, feels so good on your back. Squeeze your core in and blow. 3 more to go. Inhale, belly button in, exhale back. 2 more to go. Inhale. So I usually give this to my patients who have difficulty walking or they have weak core muscles that causes a lot of stooping forward on their posture. Last one, and hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to place this around the band on your knee area. And we're going to try to lift both legs up with your knees bent to double tabletop as you extend your arms overhead. So you're targeting a lot of your upper back and your core. So this helps bend your knees for those with weak spine. You want to make sure you keep your neutral spine as you exhale, double tabletop. So the bands help support at the same time, add resistance. So you're doing 2 things at the same time. Help strengthen your upper back. As you exhale up, you engage your core muscles and helps lift it up. Because most of my patients with weak lower abdominal muscles needed this support. Exhale up. Such a lovely stretch. At the same time, strength training on your core. Inhale, exhale up. Belly button in and blow. If you don't have elastic band, you can use leather belt around your thighs, and then for your arms you can use a blanket. But having elastic band will gives us resistance going down as you tap down. So inhale up, exhale down. Last one, belly button in and blow. And now from this position, double tabletop, you slowly extend your legs to Pilates stance. So the bands really help support it, and you want to lower to 45-degree angle to help target your lower abdominal and your core muscles more. So you inhale and then exhale to double tabletop as you slowly tap your knees with your hands. So inhale, exhale back, belly button in and blow. Feels so good in your core, and you can challenge by lifting your arms up overhead to a letter V position on your hands and your arms. So you're like a V position. Inhale in, tap your knees with your hands, extend slowly, exhale. 2 more to go. Last one. Inhale, exhale up. Now we're going to slowly lower your legs down. We're going to do scissoring. So scissoring is when you opposite side for your oblique muscles. So it targets your walking muscles. So you're going to lift your left leg up, tap with your knee with your hand, with your right. So my left foot up, pointing to the ceiling. My right hand on my knee as you exhale up. And then you alternate to the opposite side. Inhale, lift. Exhale back. Belly button in and blow. Inhale. Exhale. So this is one of your walking muscles. Even though you're lying down, you're targeting your obliques, and it's like you're walking. You alternate left and right. So the bands help add more resistance to your core muscles. Two more. And last one. 2 more. And last one. Okay, my friends, now we're going to do tabletop. So single tabletop, we're going to do left knee with your left hand pointing to the ceiling. So bend your knee to 90, fingers pointing to the ceiling as you exhale down, blow. So the resistance bands really help strengthen your core muscles more. Left and right, and blow. If it's getting too difficult on your hand, you can loosen up the bands. So you want to challenge your hand pointing to the ceiling as you bend your knee, and then your right knee and your right hand pointing to the ceiling. Exhale. 2 more to go. Last one, and blow. Now we're going to do dead bug. So it's called dead bug because it looks like a bug that died with your legs up. But we're going to do single for now. So you're going to bend your left knee and then your right hand. So it's opposite sides. It's almost like earlier, but this time opposite. So this targets your obliques as well. It's almost like the scissoring we did earlier. And if the scissoring is too difficult, just do dead bug to help engage your core muscles for walking. Inhale, exhale, belly button in and blow. Last one, and blow. Okay, my friends, now we're gonna lie on your stomach. We're gonna slowly turn around. So with the elastic band still around your thighs, that's looped on your thigh area, we're gonna do a gentle swimming exercise. So you're gonna lift your right hand up while pulling the band and left leg up. So it's opposite side. So this helps your walking muscles as well to help your posture up. As you opposite side, targeting your erector spinae, your hip extensors, and your shoulder muscles to keep your neck and head leveled with your hips. So alternating left and right. Inhale, exhale, belly button in and blow. Last one, and blow. Good job. Now we're gonna challenge ourselves by separating your legs out of the mat and your hands out like a V. So you look like an X position. So you inhale, then exhale back to the center. So pull the bands out with your legs out of the mat and your hands. Exhale back to the center. So you squeeze your core in. As you inhale out, relax as you go back to the center. 2 more to go. Last one. And blow. Okay, my friends, we're cooling down now, going to your hands and knees position. And we're going to do cat and camel. Pull your belly button in. As you look up, exhale. Relax your spine. Slowly release the tension that you built up so you don't feel too sore after this strengthening program. Last one. And now we'll end the program with a gentle child pose. Sit on your bottom, hands extended to relax your upper back and your neck. And my recommendation is to hold this for a minute. Inhale, exhale, last one, and blow. So this is one of my programs that I utilize for my evidence-based at-home therapy method that is inside my back master class. So if you want to be part of my program that I'll be reopening today, October 11, please click the link down below and you will see how to register. It's a first come, first serve basis for my first 50 students. It has more than 10 hours of videos, Zoom meeting calls with me so I could guide you safely and effectively to regain life without pain or weak core and improve your quality of life. If you have any questions regarding this video, leave a message on my social media or here in YouTube and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. I'm so excited to meet my new students for my second as I reopen my back master class. And my current students are doing amazing. If you want to watch one of my testimonies, her name's Abs. Click the link on my description box so you can watch my previous video on how Abs strengthened her core muscles, umbilical hernia, and low back, and her L4, L5 swelling, and how she regained her life back again. If you want to be part of my class, click the link down below, and I can't wait to meet the new students and join my back master class. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye!